हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं चेस कंपटीशन के ऊपर। आपको पता है हर साल अपने स्कूल में चेस कंपटीशन होता है, लेकिन इस साल कोविड-19 की वजह से हम सब लोग घर पे हैं। तो इस साल हम क्या कर सकते हैं? तो इस कंपटीशन को हम घर पर करेंगे। मतलब आप आपके घर में आप आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ कंपटीशन कर सकते हो, आपके सिस्टर के साथ कंपटीशन कर सकते हो, भाई के साथ कंपटीशन कर सकते हो। मैंने आपको आगे वीडियो में रूल्स और चेस कैसे खेलना है इसके बारे में बताया है। सो आप इसे केयरफुली देखो, उस तरीके से आप आपके घर में चेस खेलो। चेस खेलने से क्या होता है? तो चेस खेलने से हमारी ब्रेन पावर बढ़ती है। देखो, हम फिजिकली फिट होने के लिए एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, तो हम ये चेस का खेल खेलते हैं तो इससे हमारी ब्रेन की एक्सरसाइज होती है और उससे क्या होता है? हमारे ब्रेन की पावर बढ़ती है। तो इसीलिए आप चेस खेलो, घर पर कंपटीशन करो और उसके फोटोज और वीडियोस मुझे भेजो।
Morning students, you know this is a chess game. Everyone know it. Chess is a two-player board game on chessboard with 64 squares arranged in 8 by 8 grid. William Sterling is the first world champion and called father of modern chess. Everyone Everyone heard about our Indian chess grandmaster is Vishwanath Anand. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. He got Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, Chess Oscar, Padma Bhushan and many more. So let's learn how to play chess game and rules of chess. Now let us see how each piece works. See the pawns. This is called pawns. It goes straight in first move, either can two step or one step. But when opponents come, he capture diagonally like this. When he reach by moving to the last house, it can become queen, king or anything. This is a work of pawns. Now let us go to the next piece, that is called knight, means horse. It goes 2.5 house, 2 steps straight and then right or left house. See the steps how it takes. 1, 2 and right or left. When the opponents come, he captured him 2.5 house. This is the work of the knight. You know, the knight only jump over on any pieces. Even if there is a pawn in front of him, he can jump over it. Only the knights can do this work. Okay. Now let us go to the next piece, that is bishop, means und. It goes diagonally move, diagonally move and capture, like if the opponents come, it capture like this. So it can go only diagonally unlimited steps. Now let us go to the next piece, that is called rooks. Rooks means hathi. It can go straight either vertically or horizontally. When the opponents come, it can capture like this. Okay. Now let us go to the queen. Means जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं रानी. It goes diagonally, vertically, horizontally, unlimited steps. When the opponents come, let's see what happens. When the opponents comes, it can capture either horizontally or vertically or diagonally. Now let us go to the last piece, that is called king. This is the king. King can go only one step straight, horizontally or vertically or diagonally. And if any opponents capture the king, then the game is finished. So we learn how each piece work. Now let us learn how to arrange these pieces in this board and how to play. Now you can see this chess board, how to arrange. These are the front line pawns and back side different pieces. Now see, this is called rooks. Then this is a knight. This is a bishop, king, queen. Then again bishop, knight and rooks. Now we have to arrange same both the black side and white side. The first rule is always play by the white piece player. Now let's see how to move. Okay, so what to do? Suppose I want to move the pawns, or I can even move this knight also, because you know, as I told, knight can jump over any piece. But I want to move these pawns either one step or two steps. Now the turn of black. Suppose black also move these pawns two steps. Now the opponents come for me, this black, and I can capture this diagonally like this. Like this. This is the way pawns play. Now suppose we will go to the horse. You know, horse always go 2.5 place. So 1 to right or 1 to left as per our desire. Suppose I will go like this. Now again my turn, and again with the help of these pawns, the opponents I will capture like this. Understood? So like this game you can play. Now like this. Now this is called bishop. Okay, now this is my turn. So I will just put here. Now the turn of black ones. So it always go diagonally, unlimited steps. Suppose like this. Okay. Then my turn. Then suppose I will move here. And the black, now the turn of black. So it will go like this. So this play we can carry on till the end. And the game ends when we give the check or checkmate to the king. Okay. So let us learn how to give check and how to build a checkmate.
When the king is not moved and there is no piece between the king and the rook, then the king comes here and the rook goes there. and this step is called castling. The king becomes so much protective because pieces come in front of it. In front of the
Students, now you can see this is the situation of checkmate. Why this is a checkmate? Because this piece of king is here. If I move one house here front, then there is a rooks and he will capture the king. If I go back, then there is a queen and queen can capture the king. Then suppose if I go diagonally, then the bishop is there and he can capture the king like this. So this situation is called checkmate. So king cannot go anywhere and at last he got check and captured. So obviously the white are the winners. So students, this is the steps rules of our chess. Every day if you practice like this, slowly you can also become a master of in it. Okay, and you can play this game offline. Download the online chess from the Google Play Store and you can play alone also. Okay, I hope you like these chess games. Thank you very much.